Hey everybody, we're at Juhl Towers in beautiful, sunny downtown Las Vegas. We're right in the heart of it too. You've got a 15-story tower here, just under 400 units, but what's special is most of them are all unique floor plans, which nobody ever does. It's normally the same cookie-cutter unit you see all over the place, which works for other places, but not for Juhl, not for downtown Vegas. This tower, though, has so much to offer. You've got a ton of stuff to walk around to, but right at the base, you've got restaurants, you've got bars, you've got an epic gym that I'm going to show you a little bit about later on with the owner. All right? But first, let's talk about the units. Their units are ranging from 600 to just under 2,000 square feet. They've got a penthouse on the unit on the market right now that I'd love to show you. You got to give us a call, though. A lot of the units are all unique floor plans. You're going to love them. Give me a call so I can get you in. Take a look at them and show you everything that this building has to offer, including all the amenities. To show you a little bit about that as well. So take a look, like, subscribe, enjoy our channel. We can't wait to show you more. We're in Juhl Towers, Unit 555. This is 917 square feet, set up as an open urban loft. Fully furnished. All you need is your toothbrush, some clothes, and you're ready to go. You've got an amazing, wide open primary bathroom. You've got strip views off the balcony, good sized balcony with table, chairs, open kitchen. This home has it all. It's 900 plus square feet. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Give us a call, fill out an app, let's get you in here immediately. You've seen Unit 555, great unit, but you wanna know about the amenities. You've got it all here. You've got a concierge, secure gated entry. They don't let anyone in unless they're supposed to be in here. You've got private parking here right in downtown. Parking could be an issue sometimes. We got you covered. You've got this absolutely beautiful pool, spa area, 2 barbecues out here. Have your guests over. There's plenty of room to cook for them. Tons of lounge chairs, cabanas. Above me over here, you've got a 2-story gym with full views of the strip. And above that, you've got a wine deck. So if you want to have your guests over, you don't want to hang out in your place, bring them down to the wine deck, open up a bottle, get some cheese, enjoy yourselves. You're going to love it here. Give us a call today. So here at Juhl Towers, one of the great things about living in the city is you've got things right at your fingertips. No driving, park your car, you walk around, you've got restaurants, you've got bars right downstairs. But one of my favorite things of all, we're in it. We've got the Justin Hughes Fitness and Fight Gym, all right? Fight and Fitness Gym. This is not just a gym, though. This is a fitness spa, and let me explain to you why. We got some amazing things here. So Justin, real quick, tell us about, let's start with these things right here. We got us. What is it?
This is an infrared sauna pod. So, you know when Goku died, right? And he's coming back in these different chambers. So, you get to train like that. So, think about your regular sauna that you're doing at your local YMCA or like your EOS, and it's like sweaty old man with hanging out the side of the towels. Throw that out the window. Now you got your own personal sauna, all right, that you can utilize in all these different modes. We got low, medium, high, and ultra high heat. The bed vibrates, so you're getting a massage while you're actually taking part in this heat therapy. There is a hookup for pink Himalayan salt to replace all of the nutrients lost in your sweat. And then there's a hookup for essential oils for our aromatherapy, where we're combining our own custom blend of essential oils to provide aromatherapy in the space of the fan here where your head sticks out. So the heat is on your body, not on your head, so it's a comfortable heat therapy experience.
I love it. That's only one element of this place. You've got hydrotherapy massages to help you recover, all right? We all know about that.
Yeah, man, it's much needed, guys. You gotta recover as much as you train.
So in here, every element has been designed by Justin and his team. They've done an absolutely remarkable job to get you not only in the best shape physically. One of the things he said is what the Holy Trinity. It's mind, body, and spirit.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
It's working out your body, getting you in tip-top shape, working out your mind, making sure you're positive, you're ready to go, getting in touch with your spirituality, and really taking advantage of life. I absolutely love this place. You're gonna love Justin. He's gonna work you out. He's gonna break you down and build you back up like no other. Thank you very much for having us. This is absolutely a pleasure. We love this place. Come give us a call if you want to know more about Juhl. Give Justin a call if you want to come get in the shape of your life.
Justin Hughes Fighting Fitness at JH Fighting Fitness on Instagram and www.justinhughesfightingfitness.com.
Thanks so much for having us, Justin.
Thank you.
This building is so unique. They've got several walk-up units. You don't even have to walk into the main part of the building through the concierge. You've got your own access directly into the unit. And they rarely come up for sale. So give me a call. Let's get you in, take a look.